Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Appst Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add food instructions within the Uber Eats app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Uber Eats application on your device, and once you open it up, proceed with logging in to your account using your credentials or your social accounts. Once you have been logged in, you will be taken into the home page from which you will be asked to enter an address for delivery. You can tap on the search box and then type in your address. And when you proceed forward, you will be asked to pinpoint your location. After choosing your building type and dropping the pin by tapping on the edit pin option, you can enter your additional address information. Once you fill all of these information, underneath the drop-off options, you will find the instructions for delivery person. You can simply tap on this box and type in your instructions that you wish to give regarding your food. Once you enter your desired instructions, you can proceed with adding a label if you wish, and then tap on the Save and Continue button. You will then be allowed to choose your food and then finalize your order. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add instructions for your food within the Uber Eats app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.